Hey there! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the world of tech gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Soundpeats Air4 Pro earbuds, a budget-friendly alternative to the AirPods Pro. Let's dive in. Right off the bat, let's talk about design. The Air4 Pro earbuds sport a familiar AirPods-esque look, which isn't a bad thing. They're lightweight and fit snugly in your ears, making them perfect for workouts or daily commutes. The charging case, while a bit chunky, gets the job done. Now, let's talk about sound quality. Despite their budget-friendly price tag, these earbuds deliver surprisingly good audio. The bass is punchy, which is great for pumping up your workout playlist. While the mids and trebles lack a bit of detail, they're more than adequate for casual listening. Battery life is where the Air4 Pro earbuds shine. With up to 26 hours of total playtime, you can go days without needing to recharge. Plus, the USB-C connection means you can top up quickly when you do need to juice up. Speaking of charging, the companion app offers some handy features, like toggling between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. While the app's interface may not be the prettiest, it gets the job done. Now, let's talk about active noise cancellation. While it may not rival the high-end competitors, the Air4 Pro earbuds do a commendable job of blocking out external noise. Whether you're in a noisy gym or on a busy street, you can enjoy your music without distractions. So, should you consider picking up the Soundpeats Air4 Pro earbuds? If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative to the AirPods Pro that delivers good sound quality and solid battery life, then absolutely. While they may not be the most feature-packed earbuds on the market, they get the job done without breaking the bank. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy listening.